review for this dehumidifier here. So at the front, you have got a big LCD screen. There's a power button, and then you have different fan speeds that you can adjust to. We got it on high right now. It's got 3 speeds. And then you can set the timers and then how much humidity you can set that. So this thing does require a drain hole on the side. It doesn't have a water tank since it's a big capacity. I have it hooked up right here, and they come with a drain hole, but it's a little too short for me, so I have to buy a clear plastic tubing for the extension. And then on the side right here is where your hot air is coming out. So overall, I am very happy with this. I have it set up here at my business. We have like steam tables here that, you know, keep the floors really back, but you can tell like right now it's pretty much bone dry. We used to have like 3 small ones set up, and they will not keep up with the steam, but since we got this right here put in, we don't have any more moisture problems. All right, hope you guys